Assemble one of the filter chambers into the metal body. And then screw the cap. Take out the other filter chamber. Use the tweezers to take a piece of track-etched membrane and place it on the top of the filter chamber. The membrane should be flat, with no wrinkles or bubbles, and wetting the membrane can be a benefit during the placement. Assemble this filter chamber into the metal body on the other end. Screw the cap. And take care not to move the membrane. Tighten the screw cap by hand to avoid leakage, until you feel a significant resistance.